it's your anime fan here, back with another Beyblade video, and it's another epic Beyblade battle between Lightning L-Drago 100 whole flat versus my partner in crime, Pegasus, special BE 130, whatever this freaking tip is, I don't even care. Let's get this battle going! No! You messed up your camera angle. I may start putting music in the background of my videos, just maybe. And look at that glorious win. That's 1 point to help Pegasus. Ooh, that's another quick win for Pegasus. Whoa. Okay. Maybe L-Drago. When you go up and check if someone's at the door. Lightning L-Drago, I still believe he's one of the best levitation days of all time. I mean, he is way outclassed by bays such as, L-Drago Destructor, Medio L-Drago, even Various, his attack types. But I still believe that Lightning L-Drago can even knock out the best of the best, even such as the God of Destruction himself, Diablo Nemesis. And I may actually do a video on that. I mean, I already got some videos planned out. You can see a bunch of Beyblades right there. Got some battles. You got Flashing Aqua versus Inferno, Jupiter, Finglion versus Scythe Kronos, and my other attack type combo, Medio Destroy, or Destructor actually, versus Blitz Aquario. But this was Pegasus versus Lightning L-Drago. Pegasus is the winner, of course, because he's the best of all time. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next Beyblade video.